Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram blocked channels on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Telegram app, and this is window. We just go down to find Telegram app, and this is window, and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come to this is window. We will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, then we will click here on storage and we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache and we will click here on manage storage, and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.